Hi, my name is Vang and welcome to the library. Today we're going to cover 5 very basic services that may be useful to you when you want to use the library at Fresno State. 1. The library is open. You can walk in and use any of the resources or services like borrowing a book, a laptop, or just sit and relax. You can read, study, listen to music, or hang out with friends and classmates. The library is your place, so welcome and do what you need to do to be successful. The library is open until midnight on Sundays through Thursdays, except for holidays. Here is where you can click to find the library's hours. It's top right corner that says Library Hours. 2. Use the library's webpage as your starting point to find a book, journal article, or ask questions. You can Google Fresno State Library or just type in library.fresnostate.edu into any browser. If you want to learn how to find books or journal articles for your research papers on your own, please view my colleague Sam's video, OneSearch and Databases. She'll take you through a search and show you where the book or full text article is. I've also put the link to her video in the descriptions area down below. 3. Know who to contact for further information or just to ask a question. The question can be as simple as, where is the prayer room in the library? There is a prayer room in the library, by the way. Or where is the teacher's resource center? Which floor has gender neutral restrooms? But let me highlight this Ask a Librarian box here. Ask a Librarian is where you access research help online. You can reach us on chat 24/7, and we mean it. You'll never get a virtual librarian, but a real live person, all the time, every time. You can also email us and call us too. And don't forget to check out frequently asked questions. Who knows? You'll probably find lots of answers to questions you didn't know you had. Also, did you know that there is a librarian for every department or college at Fresno State? To find out, go to the About tab from the library's webpage and click Our People. And subject, librarians. Clicking on the picture will give you the librarian's contact information. This is the librarian you should contact when you want that one-to-one help, when you're really, really stuck and you need more than just, yes, we have that journal, or yes, the library is open. 4, looking to borrow a laptop or forgot your power cord at home? Come into the library and check out one. Save yourself gas and time. You don't need to go back home. The link to check what the library has in terms of technology and accessories that you can borrow is called Tech Lending. Clicking on Student Catalog, you'll find a list of what we have available. You check them out the same way you would do a book or a journal article by using your Fresno State student ID card. 5, you can reserve rooms in the library by clicking on this Book a Study Room. Then choose what type of room you would like and follow the direction. Why study alone when you can study with friends? Or for those times when you really need to shut that door and just have some quiet time to focus. These are just a few of the resources available to you. And yes, food is allowed in the library, but only on the second floor where Starbucks is located. We want you to be comfortable, but we don't want the ants and cockroaches. So be nice and pick up after yourself, please. Oh, and you don't have to pay for anything. The books, the journals, study rooms, research help from librarians. But yes, to payment for Starbucks coffee. I hope that I was helpful in getting you to know or have a sense of where to start in the library when you come to find assistance in learning how to use our library and finding resources for your paper. My name is Vang, and thank you for your time.